Do you know many people are having trouble with accessing their 2007 Toyota Prius when key fobs fail? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Use mechanical key. Use the mechanical key from the master key to unlock the driver's door manually. Step 2. Keep spare key. Always keep a spare master key to avoid locking yourself out of the car. Step 3. Check interference. Check for radio interference or replace the remote key's battery if it isn't working. Step 4. Disable smart function. Disable the smart function if necessary to use the mechanical key. Step 5. Handle key properly. Handle the remote key properly to avoid damage from temperature, impact, or water. By following these steps, you should now be able to open your 2007 Toyota Prius even when your key fobs aren't working. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.